think about ITAM is very good at understanding the as-is state. You understand all the infrastructure you have, you understand the software that's running on it, you've got a really good handle on the costs of operating workloads, and that's important. What I would say is that before you migrate to the cloud, capturing a baseline of those application workload costs, and in particular the climate impact of running those workloads, is an opportunity, because when you move to the cloud, you're going to improve the situation. If you can actually show auditable data from the before and the to-be state, then you're going to help your organization by enabling them to progress the ESG goals against scope 1, 2, 3 emissions. If we think about cost management, understanding all the licenses you're running on premises is important, because it tells you what workload patterns you need to migrate into the cloud. If you understand the licenses you're running now, then you can map those to your estate, however those workloads are going to be reconfigured, refactored, whatever it is, to get them into the cloud. Where there are options within the cloud, native services to, for example, not need those licenses, or where you have a bring your own license requirement, you've got that asset list under control. You understand how you can map those together. In terms of FinOps is really important for optimizing the cloud economics, which is effectively for every dollar you spend in the cloud, what's the business value you're going to get from that. One of the ways of doing that is to think about cheaper ways to purchase. So when you understand how an application is going to run, for example, if it's a steady state, you moved in the cloud, maybe you weren't exactly sure what it was going to cost, but you've managed to look at the usage patterns. You can then purchase 1 to 3 year reserved instances, savings plans, and what these are ways to commit to consume in the cloud, which dramatically lowers the cost to you for each unit of service that you're consuming. Very importantly, when we think about migrating, the importance of ITAM and understanding the licenses that are being consumed is being able to understand which of them will apply, will be valid in the cloud, and which actually can we architect out as part of this migration move. So ITAM and FinOps coming together really, really importantly to make sure that you don't miss any opportunity for cost savings as part of your migration to the cloud.